Welcome to Microsoft Teams registration tutorial. This platform is very useful in video conference and sharing of class materials. AUP students can access MS Teams using your valid AUP email address. If you have already registered to Microsoft using your email address before, you may now proceed to Microsoft Teams registration. However, if you haven't registered to Microsoft using your AUP email address, here's what you need to do. Open Microsoft Office 365 Education in your browser and enter your AUP email address. Click Get Started. Then click I am a student. Create your account by entering your first name, last name, and desired password. Go to Gmail and copy the verification code. Sign in to your AUP email address in Gmail and enter your password. Copy or take note of the verification code sent. Go back to Office 365 Education and type or paste the sign-up code. Then you will be logged into Microsoft Office 365. Open in a new tab in your browser, Microsoft Teams, click Sign In, click Next. Enter another email address for authentication. Don't use your AUP email address. Click Email Me. Sign into your email address and enter your password. Copy or take note of the code sent to your email and go back to Microsoft Teams and type or paste the code. Click Verify. Authentication phone should be configured. Click Set it up now. Select the country or region of your authentication phone. Enter your authentication phone number. Click either Text Me or Call Me. Enter the code sent to your phone. Click Verify. Click Finish. Open your browser and search Microsoft Teams Sign In. Click Sign In to Teams Office Support. Click the link for web. Sign in your AUP email address and enter your password. You are now logged in to Microsoft Teams. Happy online learning